Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will learn to calculate Eliashberg spectral function. So before going to actual calculation, I will quickly tell you something about this function. So this Eliashberg spectral function is alpha square f omega. You can see there is a graph for this function plotted with frequency, and this particular example has been taken for graphene material. Uh, this is important parameter to determine the superconducting transition temperature of material. So see, graphene do not show superconductivity. So for graphene, TC will nearly be zero, about zero. So it's not importance in context of superconductivity. So with this function, there is a formula called Macmillan formula, and if we put some values like omega ln and lambda and mu in this Macmillan formula, then we can know about Tc for a particular material. See here, lambda is a parameter that depends again on Eliashberg spectral function, and it measures the strength of this function. And omega is also depend on frequency and Eliashberg spectral function. And mu is Coulomb screening factor that varies between 0.1 to 0.16. So it's not we don't have to calculate this. So we will only calculate lambda and omega ln, and then we can know about Tc. So as I have told, the graphene doesn't show superconductivity. So for this particular example, I will choose lead for calculating Tc, and we know lead have Tc near about 7 Kelvin. So we will learn to calculate it with quantum ESPRESSO. So see, the calculation is time taking for lead. So I have already calculated. I only will explain the input and output file and results. I will just show you how I perform this calculation.